Today I would like to talk to you about the common periwinkle. Vinca minor is the Latin name. It's also called creeping myrtle, creeping vinca, or lesser periwinkle. This evergreen ground cover requires very little maintenance and adds beautiful work in your landscapes. Vinca minor exceeds at weed smothering and is great when planted on slopey areas across the landscapes. It can handle full sun to shade. It's classified a perennial ground cover. It's evergreen. The blooms are blue, lavender, purple, and white. The Vinca minor is an evergreen, so you'll have a beautiful ground cover year-round. The leaf color is really dark, glossy, leathery green. It's got attractive foliage. It's deer resistant. It's a great spreader, and it's an ornamental perennial. You need to plant the dwarf species, which is the Vinca minor, a foot to 1.5 feet apart. It can propagate from self-ripe cuttings in summer. The evergreen subshrubs and herbaceous perennials, as periwinkle, generally prostrate along the ground and will root when the stems touch the soil. This is a very hardy perennial. It's beautiful. It's great on banks, slopes, anywhere where there's a lot of soil erosion. The Vinca minor flowers in early spring. The flowers are shaped like pinwheels, which is indicative of its plant family. Vinca blooms best when grown in full sun. It does fine in any soil, but you should avoid extremely dry soil. Vinca can become invasive, so conduct a hard pruning in early spring by cutting back the parts. Order your Vinca minor, myrtle, periwinkle. Order these plants online at tnnursery.net.